Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is square root and cube root. Today in the square root and cube root, what we are doing, we have already completed, that is the cube root in the previous class. Now this is the type number 7. Let us see what is this type number 7 question. We will do this question in a very simple way. So here question is what? Let us see. So here question is, what number should be multiplied in the following number so that it become perfect cube? So what number is given? What number we multiply in this given number so that it become what? Perfect cube. So for this type of the question, simple technique is what? You make a factor of this number, right? And then make a triplet of the pair of three numbers. And the number which have no three pairs, that number is our, we will check what should we multiply. Just like here, 2916, the number is given. What number we should multiply it so that it become perfect cube. So you know well, for perfect cube number should be 3 times. So we will check in factor how many numbers have a pair of 3 and which number have no pair of 3. So how much number we need to make triplet? Just like see, it is 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, and again 2 5 ja 10, 2 8 ja 60. Again here what? 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18. Now see here, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja. Here 3 8 ja 24. Here you know that is 27, 3 9 ja and 3. So here what we are seeing, this is the triplet of 3. This is the triplet of 3 and we have only two times. For number should be in perfect cube, we need what? Triplet of every number. So 2 only 2 times. So if we multiply 1, 2, it become what? Triplet. So our right answer is what? 2. So if we multiply 2 in this number, 2916, it will become what? Perfect. So for any question of this type, what we multiply in number, it become perfect. Is what? First you make a factor of this number and then check. For example, my number is what here? 5184. If we are making factor of this number, 2 2 ja 4, here 1, 11, 2 5 ja 10, 2 9 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Here you number what? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. Again here number 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Now your number is what? 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Again, this number is what? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2. Again, this number is what? 81. Now you know 3 4 times 6, 81. So 3, it is 27, 3 9 and 3. So this become triplet. This become triplet. This become. So only it is at 1 times 3. So here only 1 times 3 for perfect cube we need triplet. So how many 3 we need? 2 times 3 we need. So our answer is what? 3 into 3, 9. So here 9 is given. In this way, we can find our answer very easily. Any number given, what number we should multiply it so that it become perfect. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So here the next type is what? Type number 8. And here question is different. What different? So what number should we divide in the following number so that it become perfect? What number we divide it so that it become what? Perfect. So for this number, what we need? We need what? Again, make a factor of this number. And this time you check how many numbers which have no triplet. That is your answer. No need to multiply. That is your answer. If 1 times remaining, that answer. If 2 times number, then multiply this number. That your answer. Just like here, see 3 6 4 5. Here 5. So we are going for first 5. 5 7 are 35, here 1, 14. 5 2 are 10, 5 9. Now you see here, 3 2 are 6, 3 4 are 23. Again here, 3 8 are 24, 1. Again here 3, so that is 27. Here 9, here 3. It become triplet, it become triplet. Here only 1 5 remaining. That means if we divide this number by 5, it will be cancelled out. Then every factor will be triplet. It become perfect cube. So if we divide this number by 5, that means technique is what? What number have no triplet? That is your answer. Here 5 only one time, so our answer is what? 5. Similarly, we have the next question. What? 12096. Let us check it just to make factor of this number and then check which number have no triplet. So his number is what? 12096. If we multiply this number by 4, suppose 4 3 are 12, 0, 4 2 are 8, 4 4 are 16. Again, 4 7 are 28, 2, so 22, 4 5 are 24, 0. Again, it is what? 4, so 3 35, 4 8 are 32, and here what? 4 1 are 4, 4 32, 3 4 9 are 36. Now it is what? 3 6 are 18, 3. Again here 3 2 are 6, 3 1. Again here 7. So what we see? Triplet of 4, triplet of 3. This number is remaining. If we divide by 7, this number will be cancelled out and other factor in triplet. So our right answer is what? 7. So this is a simple logic for this type of the number. When divide, then you have to check what factor remaining, your answer which have no triplet. If we multiply, then we have to check how many times my number. If my number 1 times given, then a square of that number your answer. If the number given 2 times, then single number your answer. Let us see for next question. So here the simple question is what? How many digits are there in a square root of this number? So this is the number of 2 4 7 digit number. Question is how many digits are there in a square root of it? Suppose anyone asks you how many digits in a square root of 16. You know 16 root is 4. So my answer is what? 1 digit. Answer is what? 1 digit. So if given what is the total number of digits in a square root of 144. You know 144 root is what? 12. It is what? 2 digits. But here the number is given large. So if we find a square root of this number and then we will check how many digits, it will take a lot of time. So we need a simple logic. Logic is what? You no need to find a square root. Just check how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit is given. So digit is what? Odd. When digit odd given, then you apply n plus 1 by 2. That means 7 plus 1 by 2. That is what? 8 by 2, 4. So your answer is what? 4 digits. So technique is what? Any type number given, any number of digit given. If the question is how many digits in the square root of that number, just count the number of digits and then add 1 and divide 2, you will get your answer. Here 7 digits, so 7 plus 1 by 2 is what? 4. Our answer is 4. Similarly, the second question, how many digits are there in a square root of 38025? Again, the same type of the question here. So simple rule is what? Just check how many digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit is given. So 5 is what? Odd. So 5 digit given, odd number of digits given. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So how much we got? 3. So our right answer is 3. If the number of digits given what? Even number of digits, then direct divide by 2, that will be your answer. The simple logic for this type of question, no need to find a square root of the number. Simply you count the digit and use the rule. If number of digits given odd, then n plus 1 by 2. If number of digits given even, then direct divide and you will get your right answer. Let us see the next last question. So here question is what? Find the square root of 2 into root 2. That means my question is what? To find a square root of 2 root 2. You have to find answer of this, right? Similarly, if anyone asks you, just like here, 2 root under, again 2 root under, again 2 root under. So any type of this type of the question given, we can find our answer with this knowledge. So first simple is what? Basic. What is the basic concept for this question? The basic concept is what? Here root. So just multiplying here 2 already, and root 2 means what you know, that is 2 to the power half, right? So what we can write here, a square root of 2. In multiply, what we do, you know this rule, x to the power n into x to the power n. When base is same and power is different, then what we are doing? Adding the power, x to the power n plus. So same thing here applying, 2 to the power 1 plus half, right? So what we are getting? Root under 2 to the power 3 by 2. Now you know 2 to the power 3 by 2, and this is root. Root means what? Power half. Now you know this formula, x to the power m to the power n is what? X to the power mn. So if we apply this rule here, 2 to the power 3 by 2 into half, we will get what? 2 to the power 3 by 2. So this is the basic concept for this question. But if we solve like this type of the question, lengthy question, it will take a lot of time. So we need a simple technique for this type of the question. So what is the simple technique for this question? Just imagine this formula. What number is given? Any number given, suppose x number given, right? So x to the power what? 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power. X is what? Given number. 2 is constant. N is what? Number of times root. Just like for this question, you see, what is the number of roots? 1 and 2 roots is given. So what we can write? X is what here? 2. So 2 to the power 2 and here 2 times root. So 2 power 2 minus 1 divided by 2 power 2. So what we are getting? 2 to the power 4, 4 minus 3. That is what? 3. So 2 to the power, what we got? 3 by 4. So our right answer already get here 2, 3 by. But we have taken a lot of calculation for it. But here in only one line we are getting the answer 2 to the power 3 by 4. So in this way, any lengthy question given, no need to solve like this. Just apply this formula. Just like this question is given. So simply we will write here 2. How many roots? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times root. So we will write 2 to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 2. 4. So what we are getting? 2 to the power 15 by 16. This is your right answer. So we can solve this question by without writing, only mind calculation. We can solve this type of the question. Thank you.